FAQs about Ajuga turkestanica, a comprehensive guide. As a plant enthusiast, I've come across many fascinating species, but one that has piqued my interest lately is Ajuga turkestanica. This plant, with its vibrant foliage and unique benefits, has become a popular topic among gardeners and health enthusiasts alike. In this article, I'll answer some frequently asked questions about Ajuga turkestanica, diving into its characteristics, benefits, and how to care for it. See more 69 species in genus Ajuga at monsteraholic.com. What is Ajuga turkestanica? Ajuga turkestanica is a perennial herb native to the mountainous regions of Central Asia, particularly in countries like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan. It belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, and is known for its attractive ground-covering capabilities and vibrant blue or purple flowers that bloom in the spring and early summer. The plant has serrated leaves with a slightly glossy finish, which can add a unique aesthetic to any garden. What is Ajuga turkestanica extract? Ajuga turkestanica extract is derived from the leaves and stems of the Ajuga turkestanica plant. This extract has gained attention in the health and fitness community due to its potential benefits, particularly for those interested in muscle growth and recovery. The extract is often used as a natural supplement and is known for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it may help the body resist stress and support overall health. What is the active ingredient in Ajuga turkestanica? The primary active ingredient in Ajuga turkestanica is turkesterone, a type of ecdysteroid. Ecdysteroids are naturally occurring steroid hormones found in plants and insects, and turkesterone is one of the most potent in this category. It's believed to promote protein synthesis, which can aid in muscle growth and repair. This is why Ajuga turkestanica extract is often sought after by bodybuilders and athletes looking for a natural edge. When to take Ajuga turkestanica? If you're considering taking Ajuga turkestanica extract as a supplement, timing can be essential. Most users recommend taking it either in the morning or before a workout. Taking it in the morning can help kickstart your metabolism and energy levels for the day. If you choose to take it before a workout, it may enhance your performance and support muscle recovery post-exercise. Always follow the dosage instructions provided by the supplement manufacturer and consider consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Benefits of Ajuga turkestanica. Ajuga turkestanica offers several benefits, both in the garden and as a supplement. Ground cover and erosion control. In the garden, Ajuga turkestanica is excellent for covering large areas of ground, helping to prevent soil erosion. Its dense foliage can outcompete weeds, reducing the need for frequent weeding. Aesthetic appeal. The plant's vibrant flowers and glossy leaves make it an attractive addition to garden landscapes. It pairs well with other perennials and can create stunning visual contrasts. Health benefits. As a supplement, Ajuga turkestanica extract is believed to aid muscle growth, improve endurance, and enhance recovery times. Its adaptogenic properties also suggest it could help the body cope with stress, potentially offering benefits for mental health and well-being. Ajuga turkestanica versus turkesterone. It's easy to get confused between Ajuga turkestanica and turkesterone, but they are not the same thing. Ajuga turkestanica is the plant from which the extract is derived, while turkesterone is the specific ecdysteroid found in the plant. In other words, turkesterone is one of the active compounds in Ajuga turkestanica extract, responsible for many of the health benefits associated with the plant. How to care for Ajuga turkestanica. Caring for Ajuga turkestanica is relatively straightforward, making it a popular choice for gardeners of all levels. Here are some tips. Light. Ajuga turkestanica thrives in partial shade, but can tolerate full sun. In hotter climates, some shade will prevent the leaves from scorching. Soil. It prefers well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil. However, Ajuga turkestanica is adaptable and can tolerate a range of soil conditions. Watering. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells. However, overwatering should be avoided as it can lead to root rot. Pruning. After the flowering season, you can trim back the plant to maintain its shape and encourage new growth. How to propagate Ajuga turkestanica. Ajuga turkestanica is easy to propagate, making it a favorite among gardeners who wish to expand their plant collection. The most common method of propagation is through division. Division. In early spring or late fall, dig up a section of the plant, ensuring that each section has a healthy root system. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil and water thoroughly. Seeds. While less common, Ajuga turkestanica can also be grown from seeds. Sow the seeds in the spring after the last frost. Can you grow Ajuga turkestanica indoors? Yes, Ajuga turkestanica can be grown indoors, but it requires ample light and space. Place it near a window with plenty of sunlight, and ensure it has well-drained soil to prevent waterlogging. Indoor growth may require more frequent watering due to the typically lower humidity levels indoors. Is Ajuga turkestanica toxic? Ajuga turkestanica is generally considered safe for humans and pets. However, as with any plant, it's always a good idea to keep it out of reach of pets and children, especially if they are prone to chewing on plants. Common problems with Ajuga turkestanica. Despite its resilience, Ajuga turkestanica can face a few common issues. Crown rot. This is usually caused by overwatering or poor drainage. Ensure the plant is in well-drained soil and avoid excessive watering. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease can appear in humid conditions. To prevent it, ensure good air circulation around the plant and avoid overhead watering. Pests. Aphids and slugs can sometimes be a problem. Regular inspection and natural pest control methods, such as neem oil, can help keep these pests at bay. In conclusion, Ajuga turkestanica is not only a beautiful addition to gardens, but also offers potential health benefits through its extract. Whether you're a gardener looking to add a splash of color to your landscape or a fitness enthusiast interested in natural supplements, Ajuga turkestanica is worth considering.